Morning folks, welcome to the channel, welcome to another adventure. Shall we take a look outside? Nice. There's some beautiful bird song going on. And the deers haven't bothered me at all. There's a few barks last night. That was it. Slept well, maybe I had 6-7 hours of sleep. It's time to get up, get on with the day. Oh, that warm sunshine is just hiding in the canopy of the trees. After a couple of years of, in the early couple of years of me doing this kind of thing, I think looking back at it now, I think I realise that you need a jacket here in the UK. I've had very many cool mornings, struggle to get going and things, so I think it's nice just to wear a jacket. It just takes the edge off the temperature a little bit. Now I guess it's time to have some breakfast. It's surprising how thirsty you can be after a night out in the wild. And some fresh orange juice goes down a treat. And today I've bought sachets from me. I tried to get the AeroPress in the bag and bring some of Paul Green's coffee. I couldn't quite fit it in. Of course, the benefit of just using sachets like this is everything's really lightweight. Whilst I'm waiting for the water to boil, here's a quick tip I'd like to share. You know, if you've got a power bank and you need to charge your phone up, which you know slightly will, don't stick on charge before you go to sleep, because you don't want your phone beyond 6 hours, draining the life out of your power bank. You know, if you wake up in the middle of the night a couple of hours before you're going to move, then stick it on. So that's exactly what I'm doing now. It's got up to 40%. May take a couple of hours to get a full charge, but do you need a full charge all the time? Probably not. So that's my tip, just put your phone on for a couple of hours when you wake up. Oh, it's just lovely and comfy. Pretty good night's sleep. So what's going on in this adventure? Well, if you didn't watch the last video, let you know now. It's 200km Audax DIY. It's just starting from up the road in Market Staton, and I'm going to be travelling all the way down to near the Haringworth Viaduct. A little village called Wakerley. There's some woods in there, and I'm going to camp in there. Again, nice wooded, or hopefully nice woodland area. That's the ground nicely cleared up for the next person, which will probably be me. I think I will also return here again. So bike's nearly packed. Got to get pegs on, a few things up front. The back bag is the saddle bag is all ready to go. Just got to throw this jacket I'm wearing underneath there and get going. It'll probably be about 7:15 by the time I get going, which is about right, because I was planning to leave around this sort of time. So we're heading to the butcher's bar, have a breakfast bun there, and then it's on to meet a vlogger that I will be speaking to later on in this video. He's a fellow Lincolnshire vlogger. You might have seen him before already. If you haven't, I'll introduce you to him in this video. Let's get a move on into that sunshine. Right, Garmin on. Get that route loaded and head off past those fields of gold. The wind is up and it's a headwind through today. Oh dear. morning, you alright?
Yes, thanks. See you.
Yeah, good, thank you.
What can we do for you?
Can I have a bacon and egg baguette, please?
Yeah.
You got brown sauce?
Brown sauce.
Oh, yes, please, that'd be lovely. Here we are with one of the legendary baguettes, bacon and egg, and hopefully some brown sauce. Look at that, lush. Mr. 163 is about. I really put an extraordinary amount of prep in today's route. As I leave Bardney here, I'm going to turn to the left towards Siskirton, but I'm going to be turning right at the woods towards Aptley. Lots of back roads today. That's essentially what I've done. Try to keep myself off the main roads as much as possible, really. It's always more fun on the small roads and things. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Hey Tom, you alright?
I'm fine, thank you very much. Yeah, it's been a pleasure riding with you. Thank you very much for inviting me on this little journey.
It's nice for me to be riding with somebody else. Do so much solo riding, so yeah, good to have you along. So I just left Welton area, kind of north of Lincoln, and I'm not sure how far we're going together. About 40 miles, something like that.
Yeah, around about that.
As you know, I'm going south all the way into Rutland and beyond into Northamptonshire. Got yourself a spot near Haringworth Viaduct. I don't know if you're familiar with the viaduct. I've slept there before, but this time it's not in some hedges, it's actually in a forest. So it should be a bit more interesting experience.
5-star dining as well, no doubt.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy a tin of Prince's meat, I think. We were travelling into the wind this morning, Tom.
Yeah, headwind again. Welcome to Lincolnshire.
Yeah, pretty normal for it to be windy riding around Lincolnshire, isn't it?
Actually, yeah, you've got a point. If it's not wind at all and you start to question what's going on, you expect it half the time.
Yeah. So, Tom, you have a YouTube channel.
Yes, I do. A little channel at the beginning of its life, and yeah, we just have some fun at the moment.
How long's it been going for?
November, December last year is when I started, and yeah, every video I hope has got a little bit better. I enjoy making them, I enjoy cycling, but the editing is really something I enjoy as well.
Yeah, it's good fun, isn't it?
It is good fun, and making it come together is an art form, which I've still got to master.
Telling a story.
It is, yeah. So I think it's really good. It's good for the mind.
And what can people expect from the channel when they tune in?
Well, a bit of a mixture really. It's me normally prattling around on some adventure. I like to cross not just Lincolnshire, but I go outside the county quite a lot.
Yep.
Not as much as you, Richard, but on smaller journeys, certainly. I've done London, I've done Newcastle, Peak District, and a few other places as well.
Yeah.
And there's plenty more coming as well on the cards, so
excellent.
Yeah, stay tuned. You're not doing a Paul Green, you're filming me, I'm filming you.
Vlogception. Why is it that dogs always bark at cyclists? What's that about?
I have no idea. I've been chased by plenty of dogs on the bike before.
Have you?
Yeah. Little ones, it's always the little ones what do it.
So we're both just going through the wasp's nest. There's a hill coming up soon. You could say, as you leave, it's got a sting in its tail. impressive building, Tom.
It is, isn't it?
So
Absolutely fascinating.
we've just come to Temple Brewer, which is to the north of Sleaford. Tom just said to me, I wonder if it's locked at night because he's probably bivvy in here. Never really crossed my mind. So we're just about to leave Temple Brewer. While I am, this is where Tom turns back to Lincoln and goes home. Anyway, we're going to start moving. Tom's going to disappear in a little while. Not sure whether he's going to go that way or that way. We're about to decide. Anyway, once again, if you want to watch his channel, links up there somewhere and down in the description below as well. Any final words, Tom?
That cock is really annoying. No, thank you for having me. It's been an absolute joy riding with Richard today. I know he's gone slower, especially for me. So
It's the wind. It's the wind.
He's got to make up that average speed now, which I don't envy him with one bit. But no, it's been an absolute fantastic. Good luck, and yeah, watch my video and watch his as well, and watch everyone's.
Hello, Lebbies. So I've left Grant from behind, ended up stopping there for an hour, went to pay a visit to Paul Green, another Lincolnshire YouTuber. Nice seeing him before on my channel. Fortunately though, he wasn't home. Luckily his wife was in, so Miss Green made me a nice cup of coffee and a cake. And the conversation was flowing, so I had another coffee and cake. So, making up for a bit of lost time at the moment. Got less than 4 hours to do 80k before we're out of time on this DIY Audax. And like a point I touched on at the beginning of this video, plenty of time to do it. The time for completing the 200 kilometre Audax is 13.5 hours. Hey again folks, it's been a bit of time passed since I last spoke to you. Just going through Oakham, or just leaving Oakham. Just quickly passed into Lidl, get some food. Got not much time to finish this actually, and for whatever reason I'm going up a bloody big hill in front of me. Why the hell did I put this in? Got a 2 litre bottle of water on the back as well, just to weigh me down that little bit more. Yeah, so I'm in Rutland in just left Wing. I've been trying to outmaneuver the rain for the last 20 minutes, but it's catching me up. It's coming up to 8:30. Well folks, I've made myself to Wakerley. Just found my spot down here, so I'm just about to grab a mat. This is Wakerley Woods. Interesting little structure over there. It has just gone 20 past 9, so it's still plenty light, but I want to get a set up as soon as possible just in case it rains, because it's just been on and off raining this afternoon. But there you go, you can't have sunny days all the time, can you? Hope you enjoyed this little adventure. Don't forget to join me in the next one. Give this one a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and of course hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss anything coming up on the channel. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out my back catalogue. There's loads of videos in there. From me, take care. I'll see you later. Bye bye.